Hi, what's going on, guys? Gonna be my next video. Finally gonna start doing a rebuild series. Yes, sir. My homie crashed his car recently. All airbags, everything. Frame damage, everything. I have a homie here that says he can fix it. But it's gonna take a lot of time and a lot of finesse, but we're gonna try to save this car. E90 335i with manual transmission. Tons of mods. You know, I'll pop the hood. We gotta save this. Only has like 120k miles. All the maintenance is up to date. Super clean interior. I think it's locked right now. But yeah. I'll update you guys soon. Once I go over to the homie's house that's gonna start doing the repairs. This is actually his car right here, and he did this himself. There's a lot of metal fabrication and shit like that. Shit is hard. A little wide body on his E90. Sheesh. Yeah, we're gonna see tow trucks right here about to swoop the car. And get this shit going. Yes, sir. This is how it ends. God damn. End of the homie's E90 journey, but looks like he's gonna cop another one. But yeah, I'll get another video on this car soon, but this is just gonna be the first episode. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see it. You see it. GT3 RS in the back. Wow. Took over the fucking E station. Look at the homie. Goofy. Shit. Crazy shit. Ah, damn. No one does it like Cali, bro. Look at M5 CS. Stupid shit. Oh my god, look what we got right here too. Not miss this, bro. I literally heard him on my pad rolling through. Sheesh. Sheesh. Clapper Carrera. Yo, what up, Damon? What's up, man? Yo. Let's go. We out here. This is just crazy. Right hand drive too. Damn, that's crazy.
Can you get him out of it?
Shitting me, bro. Fucking Goofy Dream, yeah.
What's it called?
Oh. This is the 720 that was racing a minute ago. Stupid. Crazy shit, bro. This is rare shit.